It's Frank from Get the Gold 777. Now you know that I don't review products other than pay dirt, and I get contacted all the time by companies asking me to review their products. I mean expensive stuff too, from water purification systems to smelters, all sorts of stuff, but I say no. But I was contacted by Vevor, and rather than them saying, will you review this product, they said, we would like you to review a product, you pick it, you choose the product. I said, sure. So I picked a Sluice that's 50-inch, and the reason I picked it was my very first Sluice was from this company, just a smaller version of it. So I picked a 50-inch version of it, and it's one that's nice, it works out really well for me. And I like this kind of sluices too because they pick up so much black dirt. So rather than keep on talking, let's go ahead and start this thing and I'll show you what I got. Now I'll admit, I've already opened this box up and I repacked it so we can see it. It's not been used yet, brand new, just got it yesterday. Carrying case, cool. They give you a pocket scale. Good for measuring all that gold that we're going to find. Instruction book. Got some wing nuts and a little wrench, plus an Allen wrench. Awesome. And let's take a look at this Sluice. Yeah. You'd never guess it was 50 inches long. Now, when you receive it, this is all covered up with like a blue paper to protect it, which I took off. You can't resist. Open her up. There's our flare. Put this off to the side here. Let's see what we got. Lift it up. Oh, there we go. Cool. All right, let's see what we got here. I love sluices like this. They capture so much black sand. All right. Take that off. And we got the diamond. No. All right. Nice. Held on by a wing nut. I like to have these a little tighter when I go out to the field. A little tighter. So they give you the wrenches you need to do it. Let's go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. That's a matter of preference too. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Now I won't be doing this each time. This is just during the initial setup. I just prefer, I know what I like, and I like it a little bit snug. And this side I've already done. Remember, when you pull that wing nut off, it goes in your pocket. Otherwise you're going to lose it. With all that, when you're on the field and the water's flowing, and you're trying to pick this thing up, the last thing you think about is that wing nut. Put it in your pocket. And actually I suggest you always carry along spares. I know I do. Let's lock it down. Got to put these in so it doesn't fold up on you. There you go, locked in. Ready to go in the field. Now let's put on this part of it, the flare. like that. Less obstructions. The flare is on. Now we just work backwards. Go ahead and put in the carpet. And the miner's moss. It's really thick. Very thick. I've never had miner's moss this thick. It should catch all sorts of stuff. Make sure that's in there secure. Alright. All these parts are set up to catch gold. Alright. So now let's go ahead. Now you can put the washers down here if you want, but I know that when I'm out in the field, I'm going to lose the washer, so I don't put it on here. There you go. Doesn't take long. Ready to go. Pretty cool. My very first sluice was from Vevor. It's a great starter sluice. Highly recommend it. You know, before you go all in with, one of the premium sluices, these sluices are absolutely perfect. And I was thinking about getting another one of these anyways, so I'm really happy to have this one. So you're done for the day and you're ready to leave the crick and you want to go home. How long does it take to pack it up? Here, one sec. Whenever you take these wing nuts off when you're out in the field, put them in your pocket. Because if you set them down on the ground, you are never going to find them again. You always put them in the pocket. That's how it goes. Just like that. Like that. Backpack seals on the top. and it's adjustable. And very light. In the next video, I'll be taking this out to the field. We're going to give it a run, and I'm going to show you how much black sand this thing captures. Remember, you like the black sand, you want the black sand. Stay tuned.